Yes, guys, enjoying the beach right now. Jamaica is really nice. Really nice. My face keeps shaking from smiling and laughing too much. We just left Dunn's River. We're trying to stop a taxi, but it's hard, so we're just walking.
It's gonna be like a total of like 2.5 miles by the time we get to the restaurant we're looking to get to.
Wow, so the Airbnb we're staying at has a rooftop. I don't know if you're seeing. I also got some sugar cane. We got some kalaloo, some tofu, some live veggies, and some stew and some rice. I'm eating one of my favorite things right now, which is sugarcane. You don't swallow anything, you just chew it until the sugar water comes out. Turn around. You like your hair? Mm-hmm. Nice. First time getting braids, and it feels very weird. Would I do it again? I don't know. Yes, you will. I just did it because I'm here in Jamaica. This water is so cold right now. Give thanks and praise. Organism at the bottom.
There's a crabby.
Some guinea, one of my favorite fruits. One of these bundles was $1 US, $100 Jamaican. Really good stuff. Really good. You just crack it open however you choose, you know what I mean? But this is how I do it because I have a nail. But you can use your mouth, whatever you want, and you just crack that open.
Wow.
And then pop this part in your mouth. And you, like a plum or something, you, no homo, you suck off all the juices until there's only the seed left and you top. Alright, my hair is dry right now, so I'm about to do some do-rag magic right now. Powerless now. Crushing these guineas again. Yes, vibes. To touch on, guys, that we use the Knutsford Express to travel. We use that bus to travel from city to city. Here, let me show you the number and the website. We book everything online.
feeling it. I'm feeling it too.
Feeling it. I'm feeling it too. Make sure you go check out that on all streaming services.